Hello ladies and gentlemen, this video will show you how to remove uploaded contacts in Facebook. You have to go to the application Facebook and then select on the upper right side burger icon, select settings and privacy and then select settings. After that, you have to scroll down, look for the heading permissions there. And then in there, you will be able to see the continuous upload and there's actually a radio button right side, so you just have to click or tap on it. And then, so there's a notification that's gonna show up, so you just have to say yes. Once that happens, all you have to do is just to wait for the contact information deleted confirmation. And that should be able to fix your problem. Just click back, refresh, and you should be able to feel free or do whatever you need to do now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is EYAM. Have a good one.